what the condition of the tiger under the roof of that old hut. Now the tiger is taking rest here. See, except the sound of the rain, there is no sound. Entirely deafening silence is there. Before he could nod off, who could nod off? The tiger. However, he heard something heavy being dragged inside the hut. Dragged. Dragged means pulled. Before the tiger could sleep, the tiger heard here, for the tiger, the word he is used, not it, he. He means the tiger here. The tiger heard something is pulled inside the hut. It is dragged. Okay, see, this was followed by the voice of a woman. Immediately after that sound, some words, a woman's voice, the tiger could heard. Oh, how terrible this leak is, she complained. How terrible. I would rather meet a tiger in the forest than have this leak in my house. Here came two characters again, the old woman and the leak here. The woman was complaining about the leak. The woman was complaining, comparing the leak with the tiger. That is what the tiger heard from the outside. What is the complaint? What was the complaint of the old woman? The old woman was complaining. She was rather ready to face a tiger, to fight with a tiger, but not with this leak. This is what the tiger misunderstood, that this leak was a very fearful animal, a beast, a dangerous creature. But according to the old woman, this leak is a leakage in her old hut. She was weird of this leakage in her old hut because of the rain. That leakage is leaking water continuously. She was tired of keeping the some utensils under the water. That's what the woman was complaining. But here the tiger misunderstood it, that leak as a fearful animal. See, a leak, the tiger thought, what is a leak? It must be very dangerous and strong, or the woman would not be more frightened of the leak than of me. Am I not rightly called the king of the forest? Aren't they all afraid of me? I wonder what a leak looks like. See here how the misinterpretation of the tiger went on. Am I not rightfully called as the king of the forest? Whereas the old woman was not feared of a tiger, she was feared of a leak. Then that leak must be very dangerous creature that I want to see once, which can which is brave, which is very stronger than me. That I want to see once. Like that, the tiger thoughts were going on. See, soon afterwards, the tired tiger fell asleep. He was suddenly awakened by an angry voice shouting in his ear. He felt heavy blows fall upon his head and shoulders. Thinking like that, the tiger went into deep sleep as it was already very tired. After 1 hour, 2 hours, suddenly the tiger was awakened by strong blows. Blows means like keeping the fist and hitting some place or something is called as blows. Here some blows are falling on the tiger's head, and it was very awakened by those blows and some voice. You horrible beast, a voice screamed angrily. Shouted, how dare you run away? How dare you make me walk about in the middle of the night trying to find you? Be careful, one of these days I'll kill you. Now go home. See, that old tiger shivered, trembled with fear. This must be the leak who has come out of the hut. I would better do as he says or he will kill me. The tiger was astonished. Who has that much dare to blow me like this? And immediately the tiger misunderstood that is the leakage only. And what that creature was warning the tiger, you dirty idiot, how dare you to make me walk in this night time, that too throughout the forest, and you made me to walk like this in the rain. See. So the tiger allowed himself to be bound around the neck with a thick rope. The mysterious creature then climbed onto the tiger's back and pulled at the rope. Come on, head out at the voice. The tiger felt a sharp kick on his side. The tiger was terrified and he ran through the dark forest. The creature pulled hard on the rope to tell him which way to go. At the same time, it scolded, cursed, and kicked the poor tiger. Soon they stopped in front of a small hut on the edge of the thick forest. The creature climbed down from the tiger's back and bound him with an iron chain to a nearby tree. Then he went inside the hut. The tiger could not free himself from the chain, so he had to spend a miserable night under the tree. Who was this creature who was able to capture such a large and dangerous tiger? That's fine.